In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notification sounds on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, personalizing your experience can make trading more efficient and enjoyable. So, let's dive into it. First, you want to open MetaTrader 5 on your device. Once it's up and running, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the screen. From there, click on Tools. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. In this menu, select Options, or for a quicker route, you can simply press Ctrl+O on your keyboard. This will open the Options dialog, where you can customize a variety of settings to suit your trading needs. Now that you're in the Options dialog, navigate to the Events tab. The Events tab allows you to manage how MetaTrader 5 communicates with you through sound alerts. It's crucial to ensure that your Enable checkbox is ticked. This setting must be enabled so that sound alerts will be active, allowing you to hear notifications when certain events occur in the trading platform. Next, you'll need to locate the specific event whose notification sound you'd like to change. There are several system events listed here, such as Connect, Disconnect, Alert, and News, each with their own default sounds. Look through this list carefully and identify the event you wish to customize. Once you've found the event, direct your attention to the Action column. Here, you'll see the current sound associated with each event. To change the sound for the event you're interested in, simply double-click on the current sound. This action will open a window where you can choose a different sound file for that particular event. When selecting a new sound, you might want to consider using sounds that are distinct and easily recognizable. This way, different events can be identified quickly by their sounds, helping you react promptly. After double-clicking, a file browser will appear, allowing you to navigate through your files. Choose the sound file you prefer. MetaTrader 5 supports standard audio formats like .wav, so make sure your chosen sound file is in a compatible format. After selecting your new sound, confirm your choice by clicking Open in the File Selection window. Once you've done this, you'll see the new sound reflected in the Action column for that event. Now with this change, every time the specified event occurs, you'll hear your chosen sound, helping you stay informed and alert. Repeat this process for any additional events where you'd like to have a different sound. As a final step, make sure to save all changes before exiting the Options dialog. And there you have it. You've successfully personalized the notification sounds in MetaTrader 5, tailoring the platform to better fit your trading style. Keep exploring these customization options to enhance your trading experience further. Thank you for following along,